Tini hanya hai lai bumani kaisa kotor goselai mong sini bubagrani nahar mong tongmani already Bengaluru sini Maharaja bo press meet khaye norok samani khana sini ti prasa skill gana nurses GNM ANM rogno Japan nik mani kok phrungi kok Japanese language phrungi Japano samung tangrani bagi rohornani kaham manmarini bagi kaham azimuni bagi rohornani kok samani tini chung supunglenin phaching senior tongo Mr. Ajay Kumar Sahani managing manager sourcing and administration Navy's Human Resource and Private Limited borobini sini MOU ongo sini yang deputy CEO tongo sini PU principal official health ni tai sini tai khoroksa PU tabo deputy PU health tai sini oro social activist takuk James tai takuk John marok khanaini tongo borok chama belai chubakha samuni bagai tai Bengaluru tongai sini takuk Dinesh bogo chama belai chubakha borok no hambai eke sini o nahar mungkin oro jotono saima no jeng Japano hospitality ni bagai sini oro zara GNM ANM pass out angzag no BSc nursing oborok no sengtalo ringnai through Navy's ni passing te sini oro pan apply khaimano borok Navy so pan apply khaimano chung u bisiwo maximum hospitality wo 3 jona chini sare rogno chung Japan ro hanani target la borogno chung ADC hapang ni phasinti kheye khoroksa ni chung ADC 50,000 chung sponsor khaine borogno jara registration na musnai jara serna musnai Japanese language te bairo Japan Germany Korea ro thangai service ni musnai rogno borok candidate around 10,000 paper registration mark haine take additional 50,000 bro puila samani chono 1,40,000 candidate na nangnai hai ni chunga bono tini kok salai abono kisarika tabo candidate ro 60,000 rinai chunga ADC 50,000 rinai okay total borok ni 3.5 Mane sara 3 lakh taka total boni course everything registration course fees rati sara 3 lakh taka nangnai sara 3 lakh taka nangta ba rina nangya candidate simino 60 lakh ma rinai ADC 60,000 ADC 50,000 बाद बाकी बनी जे रांगर थाई तोंगमानी जे नेविस न जे रांगर थाई तोंगमानी 2,40,000 बरक साका ननो चुन जापान जर्मनी कोरिया साकरी रिमनी पोरे तिरुक निनी बेतनी नि नंतानै रिमान नाय के ओबो नंखा सिनी तिनी नि ओ एग्रीमेंट जारा थांना मुचुनाय गोबां मानसिनो नार्स नि साकरी सानि फायनाय दंबायो GNM ANM ताइनि नि ओ BSc nursing रक जारा खायजा रक गोबां अपॉर्चुनिटी ताबो फातारा हास्टेल थाङै at least थाइसिङो चिनि ताखुक साका 1.1,40,000 नि बेतननि चिमि 3.5 लाख बेतन नंनायनि खर्चनि पर मान्थ अब हाय abon bagai ke borok already o target now ni o borok ni naro jara registration khene borok ni nang je ban bagi outstanding payment tongmani abo remaining borok ake khairi ga kichini nahar mung khata ku te buko chungnari government job to limited kabang ma chini ti prasarok tabu kabang ma jago no Kolkata Bangalore Chennai abharogo nursing complete kai nogo kabang ma asok jago tongo serengi tongnai bo tongo phatara samutang tongnai ro tongo kenor ni bagai chung ane bubagra katal kaisak nangmani history kaisa opportunity nor relika jara muchuknai daki dakin phai chingbai karangdi borok daki dakin interview nanai best jara muchuknai best karangku rokno jeng phataro ro hornani bagai chatioknai abani loge loge jeng phainai salo care worker bonanai driver tai hinge construction worker o building namnani amhai samung obahairokno bo jeng samung skill khai phataro samung tangnani bagai ro hornani bo jeng chatioknai obong khachini naharmung sini ADC hafang sini Tripura sarokno rang ri tongmung chamung borokni manthai khati thaina khobui samung tanglai tongmani jeng joya hamkrani samung tang tongmani jeng joya bobagrani naikol mungbai jeng hor sal thuyake no wansolai samung tanglai tong takuke bukupsong obonong khachini thansani mari chini bobagrani naikol mungbai chini ADC hafang jeng tabukhe gratei lama kahamte himei beti prasa rokno bahike sang biang phasing thangke boro thangke jeng rang kaham khaimano kaham tongmong tui mano lukorok ajimano abo naharmung bai jeng samung tanglai tong ketabok norok singi mane chini Ajay Kumar Sahani ji bo angka Navis ani manager Sursinte administration of bani thani Navis ni naharmung tabung khaitong besuk bisiromi khaitong bopron timit langjak nai omutiro bon thani nok singi man hambai.
Thank you, respective dignitaries of TTADC. And my name is Ajay, and I'm General Manager for Northeastern Region. And today it's a privilege for Navis HR, because on behalf of Navis HR, I'm representative entire Northeastern Region. And today we have signed an agreement, an MOU with TTADC regarding the student opportunity going abroad in Japan, Germany, as well as Korea. The respective job description and the job profile is already mentioned and mentioned by our sir. So we will be highly pleased to have a student from Agartala and Tripura as well. We have sent many candidates from Northeastern region, all states. Barring Tripura was left out, but it's really humble, thankful and hearty congratulations to respective Maharaja as well. Because of him, because I met him during the airport also, he said that everything is done. You just have to go there and then the formalities will be done. Thank you for the kind and generous arrangement. And we are really dealing great opportunity for the career of student, for the student of TTADC areas. And we look forward for a mutual concept and mutual agreement between all of us. And this opportunity will provide our student, those who want to dream and aspiration going abroad. And this is a platform where we can send students to different countries, from where we will definitely have a collaboration between more, and we are going to send more and more number of students henceforth. So it's a great achievement for Navis HR, because having a tied up with TTADC is really an opportunity for us and privilege to us, and we make sure and ensure that whatever number of students respectively will be selected, we have a selection process. So nearly about, we are going to, as many as we can, we are targeting 100,000 number of students to be screened, and then we will be selecting out of which the best 30 number of students, and based on that they are going to be privileged and taking the training there in Bangalore, and then henceforth they are going abroad in Japan and respective countries altogether. As the job profile is already mentioned, so we will be placing them as and when a requirement is there. So it's a initial start, and definitely there are milestones to go ahead, but definitely thanks to Maharaja and the government of TTADC. So thank you so much once again, and I really would like to thank you, the press representative as well. Thank you so much once again for covering this press meet, and hopefully the collaboration and MOU will benefits both of us, and then we take it ahead. And definitely we are really humble and thankful to TTA DEC. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much. Because we have as mentioned, there are a screening process. So first, they will have to go through an aptitude test. All the students has to appear for the aptitude test. Once they clear the aptitude test, they have to go to for a process called demo process. The native Japanese will be having in conversation with the students. They will show a demo. The student has to understand. They have to understand about the script. They have to understand the demo. That's a demo. So once they can able to cop up and can able to respond to the demo, we will select for the third round, which is very crucial, based on the consent of the parents. Once the parents agree that yes, I am ready to send them to Japan, so we will select those candidates, and based on that, the timing and everything will be mentioned there and thereafter. So we have such process, and we will start as soon as possible. We are going to now. We already have done all the formalities, so we are going to mobilize as soon as possible.
Jara thangna chonai Japano through Nevis ni bisinte interview ruwi test ruwi borok thangna chonai borok ni bagai cheng daki no potrika rom bisinte chini website ni bisinte cheng advertisement nai ke borok ta botashin chini odai saka tasingo. Actually, Japan ni kisu culture borok ni ongkotong bosker borok ni bebohar borok ni tongmung chamung tongo. Actually, azagaro borok bokrok tolakai khulumung bukok samung nomro bodro omahiro kabang metar tung Japan samung tangnani ke kok sangke sana ne aba aro chiriglai kok saya amti hero joton phang dang aron borno phai phang pane Japan ni borok no so aba hike jara srani man nai borok no borok select khana even tlangnani sigang je tlangnani phurman bumao pha soi kang ga kai bumao pha itabli nin jara thanan bagi fit nin bumap garden bumao pha sudo soi soka e approach borok tlangnai ke puilan chimini jara thangna mo chimani ba phataro sudo Japan Germany angthon ini Korea angthon baro ar language sudo Japan ar language phurne baro thangnai eke puilan chimini prepare angi phene ba ke bhai te daki start khaijani chung advertisement khai ke no through baro khai ke chung interview ba screening process khai daki roharan bagi satya nai ambai